One group of Tennesseans have already been vaccinated for COVID-19. They were part of a clinical trial.
And now the company behind that vaccine is asking the government to fast track its approval. News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen talked to a local researcher who says everyone's in a holding pattern now.
Moderna is seeking emergency approval to distribute their COVID-19 vaccine from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration.
We're in uncharted territory a little bit in terms of the timelines, because we are trying to find that sort of Goldilocks place of not too fast, because that could erode public confidence or imply that we're not looking at it as rigorously as we should, but also not too slow, because we have millions of Americans that remain at risk for COVID and its complications.
Dr. Buddy Creech is the director of vaccine research at Vanderbilt. They played a major role in Moderna's trial. Half of the local volunteers got the COVID-19 vaccine and the other half got the placebo. The study found the vaccine to be 94.5% effective.
I think when we first heard the word that the Pfizer vaccine was as effective as it was, we got very excited, but there was still a little trepidation. When we got the word that Moderna had also succeeded in having a high effectiveness in the study, I think we were giddy.
Dr. Creech says the public should feel confident because multiple companies have had success.
Well, I think it's important to recognize that we're not cutting any corners to get these vaccines out into the public.
If approved, vaccine distribution to select groups will start as soon as possible.
I think it's really important, just like every year, you and I may not remember what brand of flu vaccine we got. We just know we're protected from severe flu. I hope the same can be said of COVID vaccines.
Reporting in Nashville, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Alexandra. Dr. Buddy Creech says he hopes his next studies will include how the vaccine affects children, pregnant women, and people with compromised immune systems. They're also looking for volunteers in the Johnson & Johnson clinical trial for a COVID-19 vaccine.